Hey guys, thanks for coming back to our channel. I'm Mark, I'm your product insider from Seagear. In today's video, it's all about Suunto dive watches and we're gonna check if it's worth the hype.
I kind of just need a simple computer that is easy to use. That's what I'm looking for, the easy, relaxing diving.
One thing I really like about the D5 is to be able to change the settings on the go.
It's cool that it comes with color display and it lights up very well underwater. You don't have any problems seeing the display at all.
It'll always be bright and you can always see what's going on your computer screen.
I also really like about the new D5 that it doesn't have to have a battery change, so it's fully rechargeable. It's got a really easy to read screen underwater. It's a robust design, it feels really good on the wrist, and I love the fact you can change the bands.
You can change it into a black strap, orange strap. When you're going to a more formal event, you could change it to a leather strap.
I like to just look and see where I am and then just enjoy the fish for the rest.
They all have the same sizes. I have here with me. And they all come in the same box sizes and the same boxes as well. And they all come in the same box materials as well. This guys, they have these boxes, but all these watches come in the same boxes. This one, so hard to find out what is actually inside. It doesn't have any label here on this box what is actually inside, but the box is similar to all other boxes of Suunto dive watches. Okay, but the box looks pretty premium. You can see here it comes in like thick carton. This one comes in like a nice carton with a label here, so which means we will be opening it like this part. Oh, okay. Alright, so there you go. You can definitely see what's inside. And then you see the boxes. Suunto. Some of the main selling points of the Suunto D5 is that this is water resistant. It's at the 100 meters. It can connect to a wireless tank pressure. This has vibration alarm. It has a digital compass as well. It can connect to the DM5 platform so you can plan your dive. The straps of this is at 24 mm. This means that you can change the strap to other 24 mm available straps, which you can also buy at Seagear. And it comes with a rechargeable battery which can last from 6 to 12 hours of diving if fully charged. So okay, we're gonna officially open this dive watches and we're gonna check what's inside. So when you purchase your new Suunto, it comes with this plastic cover, and so this is the dive watch. And it looks pretty nice, guys. And when you purchase it, it comes in and when you open it, it comes in this like protective plastic cover. I cannot remove it because if I remove it, I have to buy it. It has like a signage as well, which means you need to connect it to, which means you need to charge it once you purchase it. But I can actually open this and this would turn on, but it's just that I'm not gonna do it. But this looks beautiful, guys. Look at it, it's so nice. Gosh, so beautiful. Right, looks premium. By the way, this watch is not, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels expensive, and like having like one powerful watch in your hand, having one of the most advanced dive watches right now. This watch passed the ISO 6425, which means it's a diver's watch standard and resistance up to 100 meters. Inside the new D5 box are standard accessories you can get when you purchase a new Suunto. A USB charge cable, user manual, 2-year international software warranty, and safety information. All Suunto diving watches are equipped with RGBM or reduced gradient bubble model, which provides an accurate picture of what's happening in the body throughout the dive. start from this side, okay, which is from the manual, and then you get the shoe size first, and then lastly you get your watch. Nothing really different, it's just the same, just difference in color. And I'm gonna try to wear this one as well. Okay, let's. So this one looks, the white looks nice as well, and I think if you're underwater it looks pretty highlighted, the white color. This stainless bezel, but this stainless bezel is popping here. Again guys, Suunto watches look pretty premium, looking expensive. This is a Suunto D5 all black. So when you open it, this is it. I won't be opening like all the warranties and all that stuff because it's pretty much is the same. We're all here for this watch, so let's try this out as well. And one thing I find it obvious is that the label for Suunto D5 is more pop-in for the all black version. Kind of like has a leathery feeling, but this one is made of but all the straps, all the Suunto straps are just the same. They're all made of silicone, which is really good grade, especially for diving. And just a general word of advice, some of these items might be sold out when you visit the Seagear store, but we're trying to procure and ship these items back to the Maldives as soon as we can. But when we say limited edition or it's really limited items, you should definitely go and check us out. Alright, I think this is my go-to watch. I like this, guys, it's so amazing, pretty nice. If this is how you dive, then now we can dive now, right? It's pretty nice. Now I think I pretty like the black color. The black color is pretty good. It's leathery, almost looks like it comes like almost like a sports watch. Yeah, I think you can use it anywhere because this is like a standard watch that comes on its interface. So it looks good. Okay, it looks good, guys. Let's try it. Looks nice when you, and it looks good, guys. The last one we have here is the Suunto Black, which is a different pricing from the Suunto All Black. I'm gonna link it down, all the prices of these items below. But this one, see the difference. Suunto D5 All Black, and let's open it. In fairness to the boxes, it's quite pretty airtight and pretty nice. Now box pretty nice, sturdy, pretty nice, and looks pretty premium, like similar to like phone packaging. But this one I think with nice part of it, this one it has a label. Where will you actually be opening it? Okay, open this one. So the Suunto D5 watch, all black. Okay, it comes in black stainless steel. This one is still made of silicone. But one thing obvious here is that the D5 here is more poppin' compared to others, I think because of the contrast. And yes, it comes in those details saying that it's made in Finland. The model number is water resistance up to 100 meters, and all the international certification that it has passed. So really high quality dive watch right now, and has a beautiful interface. And we haven't opened it yet, but the outer layer, guys, is guaranteed and 100% premium, and I feel like it's really worth it. If you can definitely afford to buy this watch, I think you should check out and try one. And if you feel like this is for you, you should definitely check this out and have one for yourself. This one looks nice. This one obviously looking nice, guys. Really like that one. Alright guys, you see it? Looks popping there. It's pretty good guys. Obvious. It looks kind of like obvious, pretty large, but it looks kind of like pretty large, but it doesn't really. If I go near, you can see that it just looks like any standard watches that you have outside available. The display resolution for these watches is 320 by 300. When it comes to the display resolution, pretty much almost the same. Okay. This one is the Suunto regular black. The main difference between the all black and the black is that the all black one is made of the black steel. Black stain is made of black stainless steel, and like everything is really colored in black. And this one is made of just the regular stainless steel. And this one is stainless steel as well in regular color, like the usual ones that we see. And here you can kind of see actually the label for Suunto. It's kind of like engraved, and something that I forgot to really mention on the previous ones, but pretty much all of those dive watches, this standard Suunto dive watches have this engraved label of Suunto, which is kind of like, you know, when you buy some luxury items, or right there you can see like the labels almost on each part of which. There's also a label for all these straps right out there. So there's Suunto here. So the label, I think it's hard to zoom using my camera right now, but it's here. But I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's actually here. There's Suunto label here. And okay, let's try it out. Okay, trying it out, guys, and this is like the final look of it. All right, see it. Yeah, so it looks nice. For me, it looks nice as well. And yeah, and I think like this is more like, this style feels like more of a men's watch, because I think if you wear long sleeves, this watch will more like pop in as well. And I think when you wear it even on semi-formal or formal occasion, it would do the job. It looks really nice. So you get all the Suunto watches are actually looking great. It's just a matter of your preference, which one of these watches you really like to wear. So pretty much that's it, guys, for Suunto D5 watches, and definitely it's one of powerful and highest quality diving watches right now. And if you like to purchase one, you can definitely visit us here at Sea Gear. You can definitely visit it here at Sea Gear store here in Maldives, and you can actually always you can also purchase it online and have it delivered to your island or any locations you have here in Maldives. You just kind of like let me know, and then I will be happy to assist you in having your own Suunto D5 watch. And thanks for watching, guys, and definitely see you in the next video.